our world. Sometimes life could seem quite cold. We wish to find a hand to hold when everyone's busy finding gold. And the waters may rise, but we rise above. And even in sorrow we dream with love, because all we are and hope we have. Take my hand and together we move. Our hope for peace will now be told. We will be the light when darkness unfolds. Let our empty hands be hands that lend, and our smiles be seeds of tomorrow's land. We are young, we are strong, we are here, we are loved. Walls may tumble, but we shall fly above the clouds. Together we cry, let love rain on, land so dry, and a new world shall dawn today. Chains of hatred and pain will break. World united together we make. Let this be a pact we all take. Come with